participants of this forum. I'm honored here today to be invited and to speak in this forum, the St. Petersburg International Economic Forum 2025. This forum is a forum that combines and gathers leaders from the West, the Global South, the East, and where Eurasia meet. Indonesia views the summit as an opportunity to forge strategic trust, an opportunity to make deals in an increasingly complicated geopolitical situation. Deals that can benefit our shared survival and our shared success. On this occasion, I would like to introduce myself. I am Prabowo Subianto, President of the Republic of Indonesia. I've just been inaugurated on 20th October 2024, and this is my first International Economic Forum, so I apologize if I'm a bit nervous.
Download Tribun X sekarang, menghadirkan lokal menjadi Indonesia.